Hello butterflies! Welcome back to Evie and Ellie Beauty. In today's video, we're gonna do
asking questions.
Yeah.
And see what your favorite is.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do Evie's top beauty favorites. Mommy got you a new robe. Can you stand up and show me your robe?
Yeah.
How pretty it is. Let's turn it around. Look, see? That's Evie's robe. Turn around. All right, so here are our questions, and she's gonna tell you her favorites around her beauty room. Miss Evie.
Yes.
How old are you?
And 4.
Oh, 4? Well, that's 3. 4. It's like that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Do you know when you turn 5?
And that's my birthday.
Yeah, but what day is that? What day does that fall on?
July 1st.
July 3rd. Good job. Evie, can you tell us what is your favorite color?
A pink and blue and purple and red and orange and yellow, and that's it.
Those are all your favorite colors? Okay, but your number one, if you had to pick one out of all of them,
Yeah.
is which color is that? Your favorite out of all those colors?
Blue.
Blue? I thought your favorite color was pink. You change it every day, so now your favorite color is blue?
Yeah.
Next question. What is your favorite thing to wear? Oh, you're gonna pick out your favorite thing out of your closet?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see. What's your favorite dress to wear in your closet? Let me see. Oh, royal blue. That's a beautiful dress. Oh, is that your second favorite? Evie, which are your favorite shoes? If you had to pick one pair of shoes, including the ones you have on right now. Are those your favorites, or?
Like these ones. These.
Oh, those are silver.
Yeah, I like them.
Okay, so those two are your favorite ones?
Yes.
And I know that you like them the most because they make that click-clack sound, right?
Yeah.
They go click-clack whenever you walk.
Because these don't make it.
Yeah, they don't make the click-clack noise. Here's Ellie, she's joining us a little bit, yep.
I'm a boy.
All right, so what's your favorite hairstyle?
Yes.
Oh, you like the wavy wild hairstyle? Very pretty. Okay. What's your favorite makeup to wear? Is it lipstick or eyeshadow?
No, I like whatever my sister like. I like it too.
Oh, I know, but if your sister didn't pick one, you had to pick either eyeshadow or lipstick or blush, what would you wear? Beautiful blue.
I choose lipstick.
Lipstick?
But pink lips.
Pink lipstick is
I
your
like
favorite?
rainbow lipstick.
Okay.
Red and pink makes the purple.
Ooh, well, blue and red make purple.
By
Silly.
the way.
Oh, okay. All right, now Evie,
Yeah.
what is your favorite jewelry? So if you had to pick your favorite necklace, let's see. Which one is your favorite out of all of your necklaces? Which one's your favorite? Those two are your favorite too?
Yeah.
Why do you like those so much?
Because they have little balls.
You like the little balls on them? What about your favorite bracelet out of all those bracelets? Which one are your favorites? Is that your favorite, Ellie?
Pretty.
Those are your favorites? Oh, okay. Beautiful white with little balls.
This one.
Let's see.
These are my
Those are your
favorite.
favorite bracelets? Ooh, you like pink bracelets. I like those butterfly bracelets. Those are real nice. Now, my next question is, what is your favorite pair of sunglasses? Out of all those sunglasses, if you had to pick one, which one would you pick? Ooh, I knew it. Let me see them on you. The gold aviators? And you like those? That's like the LOL ones, right?
Yeah.
All right, so let me see. Let me see why you like them so much. Yeah, you like the pink ones? That's your favorite? Oh, girl, yes. Those are superstar glasses. Go, girl. Ooh, those are Ellie's favorite. All right. And these are the LOL. Ooh, stunner shades.
Stunner shades.
Oh, so those are your two favorite glasses. Beautiful. All right, so let's see. What's the next question? Which one is your favorite? Oh, Ellie. Which one is your favorite tutu? So if you had to wear one of the tutus over here, look, over there. Which one is your favorite to put on? There's a rainbow one, blue sparkly, yellow.
This one.
Ooh, that one's blue and pink. Wow. Let me see that one.
Shut up.
Yeah, that's your favorite one to wear? Out of all your purses over there, which one is your favorite? That's your favorite. Ooh, the blue sparkly, blue sequins.
Blue sparkly.
And that's what, a kitty cat? That's super cute. I
You
like
can
that
go
one.
Shiny or gold.
Yeah. Look at little Ellie. Let Ellie, show off your robe. Let me see. Ellie, in the back, turn around. Let me see. Beautiful Ellie robe. All right. Which one is your favorite makeup brush?
And they can spin.
Yeah, that's really cool. Which one is your favorite brush? That's the one. And what do you use that for?
Mommy.
Your cheeks?
Mommy.
Okay. Ooh, look at Ellie necklace. That's your favorite necklace?
Yeah.
I love it.
Mommy, both.
Beautiful pink pearls. All right, now really quick, what's your favorite hair accessory? So you have hair clips over there and butterfly clips. If you had to pick one clip, which one would you choose? Pink and blue. That one's beautiful. You have a pink and blue one in your hair right now. Let me see. Yeah. What's your favorite makeup that you have right now in there? That's your favorite?
Shiny.
Shiny lipstick?
Yes.
Okay, did you want to try it on real quick?
Oh, yes.
All right, let's see how it looks on you. Why is it your favorite? That one's really shiny and glittery. Ooh, I like that. Very beautiful on you. What's your favorite perfume?
I only have one, so this one.
Oh, we gotta get you more perfume for sure. So which one's that one? The Anna Frozen?
Yeah.
Did you want to spray some perfume on yourself?
No, thank you.
Now that we know all your favorites in your glam room, there's just a few more questions that I have. Why do you like butterflies?
Because they flip, 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 flip.
Mm-hmm. And why else?
What
What do you think butterflies are?
Their caterpillar, the color,
Yeah.
Mommy, they turn into butterflies.
And what are
Mommy,
butterflies?
Mommy.
Beautiful, right?
Mommy,
Every single butterfly is beautiful.
My favorite one is a clear one.
The clear one. What's your favorite costume to wear since we like to wear dress up? Ooh, you have it on right now? Your favorite costume? Ooh, look, Crayola. That's the purple Crayola color.
No.
So that's your favorite costume? Okay. And let me see.
And my favorite is Uma.
And Uma? That's your second favorite costume to wear?
Uma, Uma, Uma.
What's your favorite affirmation to say in the mirror? What's your favorite affirmation?
I'm
Oh, goodness. That's your favorite one? I'm strong? You're so funny. What do you love most about yourself? What do you love about your body?
I love my hair.
Oh, what do you love most about yourself? Your hair?
Yes.
Oh.
It goes boop, 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 like this.
Yeah.
Like this.
Oh, so you love your hair. Last question is, who's your favorite person in the world?
Mom.
That's right.
Mommy.
Ooh, beautiful.
All done. Dun, dun, dun.
Okay.
Thank you for watching, Butterfly. Like and subscribe our channel. Give us a big thumbs up and feel like a butterfly.
Love yourself and feel beautiful like a butterfly.
Yes.
All right. Say bye.
Bye.